Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is Marge. Lipat tayo dito, maingay. This is my first day going back to work. Kasi naka-scrub suit na ako. So, for today's video, so kung hindi nyo itatanong guys, I am working at nursing home as a PSW or personal support worker. So that's my part-time job every weekend. I would like to share this vlog for today, just for today, and let's see what will happen. So guys, my shift starts at 7 AM. Oh, nag-snow na naman. Pasensya na guys, medyo madilim na naman, nag-vlog ako. So right now I'm going to work and my shift starts at 7 AM. So medyo late na ako ng konti. So yun guys, matatapos yung shift ko ng 3 PM. So yung traveling time ko is half an hour from here. And yun. So hopefully makarating ako ng on time sa work. So guys, nandito ako sa work. Late na ako ng 5 minutes kasi madulas ang road. Hindi pa nila nalagyan ng asin. So magka-clock in na ako. So late ako ng 5 minutes. Mababasan ako ng 15 minutes. Di bale. Wala kasing parking lot dito sa unahan. So sa likod ako nag-park. Morning.
What floor?
4th floor, please.
What's your name?
Marjorie.
How do you spell it?
M-A-R-J-O-R-I-E.
No.
No. Thank you. Hello. That's it. Bye.
Thank you.
Hi. Hi, I'm late. The road is bad. Yeah, it's very slippery.
I'm not driving in fast coming in.
Yeah.
I was on a 410. I see two cars in the accident.
Oh, yeah, really? Punta na ako sa floor ko. See you again later, guys. So, yun guys. Bumaba ako ulit. Nalimutan ko yung face shield ko. So, this is required kapag mag-assist ka. So, hi guys. I'm taking my break. Bangko is asado. Pork asado ba yun? Kain guys. So, meron akong 1 hour break. This is my first break. Now consider how many times your family touches the surfaces in your home. So guys, update. It's half an hour before end of my shift. And naghihintay na lang ako matapos yung shift ko. So yun. Very easy and nice shift today. But before this morning, there's may nangyaring ganinang umaga. Kasi papakain ng one of my residents. And then, nung pinapainom ko siya ng porridge niya, kasi nilagay ko sa tasa yung porridge niya para madali niyang makain yung porridge. Nilagyan ko ng gatas. Bigla siyang namutla. Tapos parang nahimatay siya. Nawalan siya ng malay. As in namutla siya. So yun, nakakagulat. Akala namin mamatay na. Pero nakabawi siya. So, sabi ng mga PSW, nangyari din daw yun last week. So, sabi nila, oh, babalik din yan. So, yun nga. Miracle yung nangyari sa kanya kasi akala namin mawawala na. So, yun. Binabantayan ko siya ngayon hanggang, siguro hanggang matapos yung shift ko. So yun guys, I'm done with my shift. Sobrang lamig. Feels like -17. See, ang labi ko nagka-crack. So yun, sunny siya pero sobrang lamig. So guys, I'm done sa aking shift. So yun ang aking work. Tinanggal ko yung top ng scrub suit ko. Papainit muna tayo kasi sobrang lamig. Guys, sana nagustuhan nyo yung aking munting vlog from my work. So, but anyways, see you guys later.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
I just got shower kasi alam nyo na, especially ngayon, kailangan mag-ingat and kagagaling ko lang sa work. And ayun, as soon as nag-step in ako sa door, kasi totally naked ako, tinanggal ko yung mga damit ko and diretso sa shower. So, ganun ang routine ko after work, especially sa nursing home. So, magdadagdag lang ako ng konting background about my work. So, dito sa Canada kasi, pag personal support worker ka, mostly makikita mo yung mga personal support workers sa, it's either sa long-term care facility, sa community, or sa hospital. So, sila yung hands-on sa mga elderly or yung mga may injury or mga may mental illness, yung mga ganon. So, mostly, kami yung kagaya ko, nag-work ako sa long-term care, and ang shift ko is morning. So, ang ginagawa ko is I'm assisting my residents from getting them up in the morning, provide their personal care, feed them, and most especially as a PSW, kami yung mismong nagkakaroon ng one-on-one with the residents. Kumbaga, kami yung mata, tenga, sa lahat ng mga throughout the shift, kami yung nagbabantay sa mga residente. So, halimbawa, pinalitan ng doktor yung gamot ng residente. So, syempre, may mga effect yun sa kanila. Any behavioral or physical or anything na may pagbabago, kailangan i-document and kailangan i-report sa nurses. So, yun ang trabaho namin. Kami yung nagiging mata, tenga ng mga bawat residente namin. And then, yung mga nurses, sila yung nagko-communicate sa mga doctors and family ng residents. So, yung PSW and caregiver, iisa yung role niya. Kaya lang, yung caregiver, anywhere, kahit sino pwedeng mag-apply or pwede kang mag-alaga. But yung PSW is meron kang certificate na pinanghahawakan. So, para maging qualified ka, para makapag-work ka sa mga community, sa hospital, or long-term care, kailangan mo ng certificate. So, kagaya ko, I studied PSW like for almost 1 year kasi may full-time job ako. Nag-work lang ako ng every weekend. So, kinumpleto ko yung sit-in study ko. And then, after 6 months, nag-placement ako sa nursing home. Kumbaga sa atin job training. So, yun ang requirements para maging PSW ka. Siyempre, meron din yung exam para maging ganap na PSW ka, na meron kang certificate and proof na kumuha ka ng ganong kurso. So, yun guys, ang aking nature of work. Sana na ibahagi ko sa inyo ng maliwanag. And hopefully nagustuhan niyo yung aking vlog. A day in life as a PSW. And thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you soon. And take care guys. Good night.
White lies